Hi everyone. Hey, some of the subscribers have contacted me about their subscription that they are paying for on a website that has my name attached to it, and they are paying for that subscription. Okay, and I want you guys to know the only website that I have is the free channel on YouTube. Okay, so the art of dealing with pressure. That is it. Okay, so anything else out there, I consider that to be fraud. I have nothing to do with it. So if you are paying and you are subscribed to a website where you have a subscription and you are paying a monthly fee, okay, I suggest you guys cancel that membership. Okay. Anything that I put out is going to be on YouTube under my channel, and it will be free. Okay, so once again, if you are paying a subscription, I suggest you cancel that membership and just understand that I have nothing to do with that website. The only website I have is the free channel on YouTube, The Art of Dealing with Pressure. So I just wanted to let everyone know that. That way they are not taken advantage of.